here we are at our pick and place line number 1. This is our fastest line, which has been installed only early this year, and it is running with a solder paste inspection machine as well, and it has 2 Panasonic pick and place mounters. After that, a 10-zone reflow oven. And finally, there's an AOI inspection station. So this line is running 24 hours, and it's basically the model that we want to replicate when we further increase our capacity. So I just show line number 1. Line number 2 is a similar setup. It's a little bit slower, but it's also with 2 pick and place machines, and it's running basically 24 hours. And the final line at this moment, line number 3, is a mixture. It's used for lower volume production batches. So here we are at the end of the pick and place lines, and we do a lot of different PCBAs. So for most of them, after pick and place, we do the depaneling, which is done over here. And after the depaneling, again, multiple things can happen. Either they go to testing, or they go to manual insert, or they go to packing straight away. I will now just follow the path of a PCBA that goes to manual insert. And as you can see, this is one line. This is actually the older line, and we have another line just behind here, which does exactly the same, just different models. For the high volume products, we often also do the ICT, the in-circuit testing, and we also do the FCT, function testing, which is over here. And there are several different stations where we do function testing here. Some of our PCBAs are being used in more difficult environments, more humid environments. So there we can protect the PCBAs, the components and the traces by putting a layer of coating over it. In this final area, we call it the post area, we do some more manual soldering, some testing and some other inspections, for example, and we also do some packing. Basically these are the final steps before products go to inspection, which is over here, and after inspection the products either go straight to the customer or, and that's actually the majority, they will be used in our assembly department. Here's the A.O. Smith line, the air blower, which is also a line that is running almost full time, so that there's a dedicated line here. And here in the foreground you can also see the final assembly of another project for clean hands. So here we are in an enclosed area inside the assembly factory number 1. This enclosed area has air conditioning and humidity control for some more sensitive products. At this moment we are producing the link device for NPE, and also in the background you can see the EEG cap. It's for measuring brain activity. Another major production line here in EWI is the Wahoo kicker trainer. Again, it's running full time. So this whole line is dedicated making those trainers for interactive bicycle training. So here we are in lot number 5, which is our oldest factory where it all started, and we just rebuilt it actually into an injection molding and assembly factory again earlier this year. And our biggest machines are here, the 500-ton injection machines, where we do the very big plastic parts, which are also used in this factory. So we do the assembly of Wahoo blowers, and we do the assembly of bikes. And now we also do pedals and some other projects here. So the main intention is that we make the plastic parts here that are used in this factory. So at the moment there are 5 injection molding machines. It has its own storage area, and it also has the assembly area at the back, which I will show after this. So here we are at the back of the Lot 5 factory where we do the assembly. At the moment we are doing pedal assembly here for Wahoo, and normally we would do bike assembly on the big line behind there, and we would do the handlebar assembly also for the bike on this line. Also behind here you can see a big area for one by one individual testing of those bikes. Besides that, on this side we have another production line where we normally do the Wahoo blowers. Actually we were running that as normal, but today we are focusing on the pedals instead of the blowers. But normally we are producing on this line as well. So here we are in the machining center, machining operation for Q. I'm standing here right next to the newest edition, which is a very big CNC machine. It's quite amazing to see that all the machines, the wire cuts, the EDMs are all in operation at the moment. It's looking like a good month for Q.